Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Wellbeing. Today's learning intention is to make a card for your special person or your dad. To be successful today, you will be able to do these things. I can follow a card tutorial or create my own card for my special person dad. I can write a meaningful message or funny limerick poem inside the card. I can decorate my card to a high standard. So your wellbeing task is to read or listen to today's wellbeing instructions, which you are doing now. Excellent. Choose one of the card tutorials to create a special card for your dad, special person, or you can come up with an idea for your own card. Create your card. Write a meaningful and special message to your dad, special person inside your card, or a funny limerick. Keep your card somewhere safe for your special person or your dad, remembering that this Sunday is Father's Day. So what you're going to do is you've got 3 cards that you can choose from. If you click on these, each of these have got a video to show you step by step how to make 3 different cards. So you just need to click on one of those cards and watch the tutorial. Then you need to create your card. Have fun.